Hello guys, welcome to CyberCrust YouTube channel. So guys, today we are in the day 10 challenge of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, without wasting the time, let's dive into the computer screen and start today's challenge. So guys, now here we are in the Advent of Cyber 2025 playlist. Guys, in this playlist, you will get all the updates from day 1 to day 24. Guys, you can save this playlist, you can share with your friends, and guys, subscribe to CyberCrust YouTube channel. Guys, now I am in the TryHackMe dashboard. Let's move to AOC. So guys, here we will scroll down, and from here we can give a continue learning, and again continue learning. So guys, here you can see we have the day 10 room, that is SOC Alert Triaging. So let's click on this room. So guys, now you can see we are in the SOC Alert Triaging room. So let's scroll down, and here you can see we have the video 1, and guys, here we have the video 2, and from here the story begins. So guys, basically here the story is the best festival company or the TVFC company, the SOC team of TVFC company were in chaos. So screen flicker, light flashed, and sounds of alert echoed through the room like a digital thunderstorm. So with this, we get to know that like the SOC team of the TVFC found some alerts. So in this room, we will learn about the understanding the importance of alert tries and prioritization, explore Microsoft Sentinel to review and analyze alerts, and correlate logs to identify real activity and determine alert verdict. So guys, here basically we will use Microsoft Sentinels review and analyze some alerts. So here we have the cloud credentials. So how can we connect? So guys, now we can click on cloud details, and here we will join our environment. So guys, we'll wait for a while, and now you can see we have already joined the environment. So now let's move to the action tab, and here we will deploy the lab. So we are working on it. So guys, this is done, and now let's check for the credentials. So guys, here we have the username, we have the password. So now we can copy the lab URL, and we will paste that. And guys, here you can see we have the credentials. So we will copy the username. So you will paste that and give a next. So now you will copy the temporary access, and now we will sign in. So guys, here we've already signed in, so give a yes. So now we are in the Microsoft Azure dashboard. So we will use this dashboard and we will analyze the alerts. So let's go through this. So here we can give a check. So now we can move to alert triaging framework. So guys, here we will go through this instruction, and now here we can give a check. So now let's set up the environment. So guys, after successfully login with the Microsoft Azure, so here we will search for Microsoft Sentinels, and here we got that. So give a click. So guys, from here we can access to this. So let's click here, and now here you can see we have the guys. Now here we can do one thing. We can give a check to all these values. So we will give a check here, and now we will disable all this status. So here let's wait. So here you can see all the analytics rules were disabled. So now we'll give a refresh, and again we will enable all that. So now guys, here you can see analytics rules were enabled now. So now we can give a check here, and we'll move to the investigation proper. So now we will do the whole investigation, and let's analyze the alerts. So guys, now let's find out these answers. So we will move to Microsoft Sentinels. So now here we will move to the threat management, and from that we will move to incident. And guys, here you can see the page move to defender portal. Please connect to the workspace to the defender portal. So we can simply give a refresh here, and we will wait for a while. So guys, here you can see we have 0 incident, new incident 0, and activate incident 0. So Let's give a refresh and check for some active incidents or new incidents. So guys, I think we have done a lot of refresh, but we are not getting any proper result. So I think at this moment I'm getting some problem, so let's fix that first, and after that we can find the flags. So guys, here you can see we fixed all that thing, and here I got the flag for the tax 4, and all these are correct. So now we can move to tax 5, and guys, let's find all the answers for this. So guys, here we have also got the all the answers of tax 5, and guys, we did it. Like SOC Alert Triaging room is completed, so we can give a continue. So from here also we got one advent of cyber ticket, so we will give a continue. And now guys, let's move to Wareville and let's check our path. So guys, the level 10 or the 10 room has already completed. Guys, we have successfully completed the day 10 challenge of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, for more solutions regarding Advent of Cyber 2025, subscribe to CyberCrust YouTube channel. Thank you.